morning. Hi guys. Okay, so Scott and Stevie went out for a little adventure, so I have a couple minutes to myself, which I decided I'll do a YouTube video for you and show you my nursery and just all the little things that I have, which is not very much. I mean, the babies don't need very much except for love, titty, diapers, and wet wipes. So I'll be pretty much showing you that. I just woke up. I haven't done anything yet, but as I said, I had a few minutes. So before I went to bed, I decided I'd come and do this because I don't know when Stevie and Scott are going to be back. And when they come back, it's just, my life is upside down. Anyway, here we go. Okay, so this is my nursery, walking in the door, and I have a beautiful mural on the wall. It is so fabulous. I painted that myself. It took me very long. Okay, it's a lie, it's wallpaper, but anyway, this is a crib that we got secondhand from Scott's auntie Rochelle, and Scott did it over in this kind of creamy pickled thing. It was dark brown before. And these are Miss Stevie's pillows. No, they don't stay in there. Her changing table. Okay, and so we had a little space at the side that is diapers, wet wipes, and I use incontinence pads every time I change Stevie because the poo is real, guys, and it shoots out. So I just buy a pack of incontinence wipers from PriceSmart. You can use the ones for puppies as well. It doesn't really matter. They serve the same purpose. Okay, so in my first drawer here, sorry, nothing's organized like Jodi. I just have all of her little medicines, her lotions, her brush, everything like that. My second drawer, I have her blankies, and these are all of her crib sheets and pretty much all of her sheets for her crib, her bassinet, everything, okay? I have this little caddy. It is by Ubi, and I keep her diapers. I use Aquaphor for her, what's it called? Diaper cream. Oh, I go between Aquaphor and this one, Pseudo Cream. I go between the both of them. There's no rhyme or reason why. Anyway, I love this Ubi diaper caddy because it's plastic, so it wipes clean every single time. And I have her wet wipes in here, so you empty out your wet wipes into this little caddy part. It comes with a changing mat and her diapers and stuff. So if I'm going to the country and stuff, I just carry this whole thing with me. And there's a little drawer here which Levi left his toy in for us. Here is my chair that I sit and nurse in, and I have a little cute blanket for Stevie. It's personalized. The reason why this chair is in here is because her fancy rocking chair is in my room because I have a bassinet in my room. So when she wakes up in the night, I go into my room. All right, so little space over here. This is her stroller. These are some things that she's to yet fit into or whatever. And this is her baby bather that we take when we go away. All of her clothes. This is her closet. Her dad made her closet for her, so he actually did all of that woodwork. And in these boxes, I just have, so this box is 3 to 6 months, 6 to 9 months, 9 to 12 box. This is her memory box that I just have all of the little cards that she got, memories of gifts and stuff like that. Her umbilical cord is in here somewhere too. So gross. Jodi said I should keep it. There it is. Ew. Anyway, and this is all of her hats and clips and everything to go on top of her head, and receiving blankets and what's it called, those little bib things that go over your shoulder. So these are her towels, and these are her nighttime wraps. So, you know, when she got older to the age that she is now, well, she's 10 pounds. So when she was born, she was 6 pounds, and these couldn't fit her. But these are, what you call it? Well, they're straight jackets, essentially. But for children, and you put her in, you put her little legs in there, and then you wrap these up, and you wrap it up like that. And, well, her legs will be in here, and she's wrapped, her arms are down. And yeah, they're baby straight jackets, but they keep her so tight throughout the night. So I find that I can't swaddle very good. Swaddle, that's what it's called. I can't swaddle very good, so these keep her tight and nice to me, and she can't get out of them. As I said, baby straight jacket. These are all of her pants and shorts, and here are all of her shoes. So I got a couple shoes secondhand, and some were bought fresh for Stevie. Excuse me, my girl has a limited edition Harrods bear, okay? And of course, she has a puzzle with her name on it, and we don't take the plastic off yet because we are saving it. I don't know. And it's her little library with all of her books. So because the room is small, I had to maximize on space. So I just got this laundry hamper to hang over the door, which works perfectly for me. And this is her daddy's closet. It doesn't close properly, so I have to use that little box at the bottom to close it, and her daddy never quite seems to close it properly. I actually had to do that. And this is her sexy leopard mat. Oh, and her humidifier, which I've actually never used. I don't know. I have something to like put lavender in, and then it goes out so her room smells nice, but I haven't managed to get around to that either. Okay, so that's it. That's a little tour of Stevie's room and all of her things. To be honest with you, these pillows get flung down over here when she's sleeping, because that's how it goes. And yeah, that is it, guys. I don't know. I mean, I don't really know what. Oh, this is a nightlight that I got off of the Amazon for her, and I like it because it's really dim. The brand of it, I don't know, I think if you just type in nightlight, it will come up. And this is her monitor, VTech monitor, which I absolutely love. I got some, yeah, I got the one that has 2 parental units. But yeah, guys, that is it. That is Stevie's room, and this is water. Okay. Okay guys, Scott and Stevie are still doing road, so I have a little time to just get ready by myself on my own, peace and quiet, without the worry of the child. Actually, that's a lie, because I'm very worried about the child with Scott. I don't know what they're doing. I really don't know. But anyway, so I'm going to get ready, and then I'm going to come back and show you guys a few must-haves that I personally really love for Stevie at this age and stage, and some things that I've gotten for when she's a little bit older. So let me finish getting ready, and then I'll come back.